mabati rolling mills yukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura chagwirigiriye amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo ere engale yuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso lyao chingaki ogoswasa yega kurigiriya amabati aiga ntobwate team ya tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yega babwate chingoro chingiye chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende gensi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asiko babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gokwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyega ya ouru superstores yego toka se nyumba ya ouru complex imeyumu chuligo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi, mbona mbwata hapa? Nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kirahisi. Oya, boy. Sikiliza nikwambie. Bi mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa eh? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza dogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi uko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Poirere wia na ndio mwancho muligiriria Getembe TV nigo bono charagire Chinsa Ikomi chabono maragoba chingaki chindonge chyo gusanga naye ayo agenderete ase chinsemo ao ana mono kroiga ase orogongo rwagusi kro asensemo yebe manyere nere vene enyaboke na kro studio kabere tukubwaterana nere Mike Wills nchengoro kwa Matildah Obaigwa. Karibu sana irinde tunyare gusanga nekero ngochaka mwancho muligire ngochaka no roboti rogo ichanya ekero abantu babere bono banyare gusiria obopema amagimabo kubatekana no mubasokano omobe wepara uyonyara kwenekiwa umugaso orero asensemo ya daraja moja asipara enene kurwaso mucho gusongo pocha ase omoche okeroka kurengana na kirori niko banyare kwerera una niko mubasokano yo paterania chigari sato ekero bono tubande osomo baro oligoro bwabantu nyari gutigara n'ekingoma tintindi tibichecho na cyarigane wano moreketo anko Dipon Asanya
Nanya ni customer mashauri ante bimwe gikie gitagia JT kia polytechnic gocha iga toikire matensa iga customer yange gukura ya ukura njitime tinki ngendrete iga akigona regali kormotwe lion yake aria irane yake ya chibwatera ni chialengo timatinge tukorra njire chialenge bona inje ngonjore pikipiki ndete kogenda bwangwega tinge tukukuna customer ya tuma ya umio kokoro nyagitari yagenda.
Jina ni Frida Story. I'm from Kisii Polytechnic. We have witnessed a very severe accident here at our gate na hatujafurahishwa. Kwa hivyo tunaomba serikali pamoja na serikali ya county mshughulikie barabara kwa umakini sana so that we as students and other people outside here wapate freedom ya kutembea kwa barabara. Juu hata kama mimi vile nimeona hadi nimeogopa hata kutravel kwa barabara. Naishi kwa shule. Sasa sijui niishi ndani ya shule.
Mimi ni student hapa Kisii National Polytechnic. Tuko na huzuni sana. Kenye happen leo ijai happen mara moja. Hii njia ukienda from the other side hadi huko chini ni mteremko. Hatuna bump. Hapa tunapitia kila siku, tunavuka kama students. Hii barabara isipotengenezwa, naongea na mheshimiwa Honorable Simba Arati.
Gutigana nayo mwancho murigire ni gubono umurai wense musike William Ruto anyarire kwerera buna ichina chingaki cyo gwikirania amagendero ane muno chira chiria abanyarite kurira abakenya ekiropa goswa ase serikali ka ukwana na basemia bae na boigo abawaziri abo bare ase serikali yae ritukuria rero kurase umuchio Nairobi ni gubono anyarire guteba enye ne miaka eyiga itano emitangani nigo serikali ebonete gwikirania amagendero au kurende kuganya wika ase entunda ya kabire nekero atebire buna nonyenere tamanyiti go sentunda ya kabire niraro kurinde nigo akwira ebiro ibiga abwate kokora amaya gochase abakenya.
I have no intention whatsoever on escaping any of the commitments we made. We intend to keep them because that is how we are going to transform Kenya. That's how we are going to transform this nation. And I am committed 100% to the transformation of this nation. And I want to persuade you as my team, the government of Kenya team, for us to know that there is no two ways about this. It has to be done because Kenya has to change. We have been timid about what needs to be done in Kenya. I have even had occasion people telling me, oh, you have picked up too many things. Especially the difficult ones. You would have waited for your second term. Right? And then you ask yourself, why waste the nation's time waiting for a second term merely because you are working on difficult things? Why don't you finish the difficult things now? If there is a second term, there is plenty of things to be done. And if it can be done in 5 years, why do you want to do it in 10 years?
na omonogeri bwe serikali Isaac Mwaura nigo bono anyare kuboria abakenya batige kurwa okobosereria gocha ase abanyanyimbo na boigo gakuboria abanyanyimbo unatigo tibaboneti gukiria amabe ase ogokora amabe ande ayega nigo akoya kwana ane muno ekero akuraga ebiara amabe ayo aberega kubabwatirania abanyanyimbo gocha ase abakenya nekero bono aborire batige gutumeka chinguru wetania ekerengo na boigo okuboria kwa gochase ebunge nene ngoria una nigo ebunge nene boneto kwanera engana yobo sibore ane muno chingaki chokorobekana nako koyeboria enyare kwenekia una ense ya Kenya yanyare kubeka ambarabare riroba gose egeti ekiaba Kenya ekirobo bwatebirero bakogenda bakorera ukurobekana.
Let us be clear. Violence from any side is unacceptable. Our democracy gives room for dissent, but no disorder and disobedience, including riots. We must resist the temptation to respond to wrongs with further wrongs. We further urge all citizens to remain calm as a government and allow the relevant institutions, IPOA, the judiciary, and parliament to conduct their investigations independently and impartially. The government calls upon political, civil society, and community leaders to promote peace, understanding, and open dialogue. The government further cautions political detractors against exploiting the situation for incitement and/or political mileage. At such a time, settling political scores at the expense of public peace is not only irresponsible, but also dangerous. True leadership demands responsibility and commitment to God and country. To this end, Parliament is encouraged to put in place an enabling legislation that safeguards the right to picket in a peaceable manner by designating public spaces for such endeavors, while ensuring that other citizens can go about their lawful business without obstruction. This is how a mature democracy balances rights with responsibilities. Let us protect the hard-won gains of our republic. Let us rise above division and recommit to the values that bind us together as one nation, under God, in the true spirit of nationhood and patriotism.
Gutigara ase oroboti oru rwabanyanyimbo gutumika chinguru bobe nigabono egati ya barai banyale gwesokia na kugendera kugikiria ebikorwa ebyo nekiro bakuboria unalichiko ndibonete kubwati wana boigo ebitambukiro ebitindi binyare kwimukiwa bochase abanyanyimbo bari babere bakubwatiranirwa na mangana yobosari anamono ogutumika chinguru gocha ase aba Kenya na bari banyare goita na barabo nigo aborire na barabo banyare kubikobyara na kukambiwa korengana neri chiko na asensemo yende mancho muligira ikati ya bara yabo ngamo no mugavana we county ya Makueni waro muske Mutula Kilonzo Junior na boigo ntubwate omojumbe kura ese bunge yake haru manyakanete na muske Ndindi Njoro na boigo nikati ya bara ivande.
I have asked that IPOA should quickly finish their investigations. We could see clearly that the people who took, for example, Ojwang to Mbagathi were making phone calls. Who were they calling? We know that somebody called Talam. Who was he speaking to? Somebody deleted the footage. What footage was it? Somebody sent officers to Homa Bay. Which officers are those? Somebody interviewed a gentleman called Kennedy. Who interviewed those officers? What were they looking for? But more importantly, what is this? That the security operators were so afraid of that they could commit such a heinous crime. In a proper state, the DIG, the IG and his juniors should have gone home.
Our police officers, can we stop using excess force on civilians who are not even armed? It is very unfortunate that young man Boniface Kariuki ni wa hapa Murang'a County. We want to condemn that act and we want to request the IG of police hakikishe kwamba huyo kijana, huyo askari amepelekwa kotini na amepata mashtaka yake.
Kwa sababu kama angekuwa confronted, hata sisi wanadamu tungeelewa, lakini vile alipiga huyo kijana risasi ilikuwa tu kimakusudi. Hata huyu mtu anaweza onekana ni mtu ambaye anataka kuharibia serikali katika hali ile ya kazi yenye inafanyika kwa serikali. Lakini kwa hivyo tunaomba serikali imepata jina baya sana kuanzia kitendo ambacho kilifanyika cha Ojwang. Hii imefanyika jana ya Kariuki.
You must respect the lives of Kenyans. And the work of government is to protect the lives of Kenyans. It is not to harm Kenyans. Kwa hivyo tafadhali, all the decision makers in this country, lazima muwajibike. And if the kitchen is too hot, you do not want Kenyans to ask you questions, please, fuga virango kwenda nyumbani.
mwanjo murigiria asoroboti oro nungukorera Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi chabono marako bakorende una koro asegeta sene kya Getembe ni gutuma engora yetu kucha ase chinka chabari banyara kupateranirwa ase omubasokano oyo anamono bari banyara gusiria amage mabo nonye bari batigarane chingoma tokubasabira okubwena okwabwango mbia mono ikiagera okwagendera kuba umwegeno ime ya Getembe TV chingaki chionsi crossens mo yobimanyira nero vene nyaboke nenche kurukwa Matildah Obaigwa Ekeonga gotiga ase amabuka ya DJ Topsha onkorogo na boigo makopio ase omuroberio wekerorana hoikari tukori ankio nyasaye oyo.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati rolling mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigiriye amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie liso lyao chingaki ogoswasa yigakurigiriya amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingiye chugo kwarigania na boigo cho teberie kende kensi uraganie bagoteberie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwata chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwata normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asimigo babwata boomerang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bere na isaro na isato babwata tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya ouru superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya ouru complex imiyumuchuri gobusongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Silva kia ninya gitari yekerero asumuchi ubusungu ensema ya mwembe mbarbare nigekomo SDA asepare kuro busungu guche Kilgoris nige kurwa obugwenia asenchira yekerero asugutumia chimashine chekerero abu asibwa tabanya gitari bubwate obumanyi bwigoromono mbabwate inpatient gosechi ward na boigo outpatient abasaba roire bakubwenigwa na koira na gochianka mbabwate maternity yekerero yubwate chimashine